Hello everyone, my name is Dina Belenko. I'm a still life photographer, or you can say that I tell magical stories behind everyday objects. I believe that behind every simple thing like a coffee cup or a cookie, you can find something magical and something special that can lead you to an adventure. And I'm trying to capture these adventures and present them in my photography. I've been a professional artist for more than 10 years. And often there was a lot of struggle in figuring out how a specific trick works, like levitation or an ornate shadow. But now I understand that if you know where to look, it can be done like that. And yes, of course, you still need to do the work to arrange the actual composition and bring everything together, but it can be done without the anxiety and without the struggle. It can be only joy and fun. I do it at home, not in some fancy studio, and I can teach you how to take your own unique flat-lay shots with the simplest props that you probably already have. I believe that you grow as a photographer only with practice, so this book is extremely practical, and I like when tutorials get straight to the point, so I do exactly that. This book has 15 tutorials with step-by-step instructions, each one with a homework assignment. So you don't just read the tutorial and forget about it. There's a very clear guide on where to start and how to get from the start to a completed shot. This book also contains all you need to know about the basics of photography, like working on your composition or the nature of light, how to manage it, how to control it, or working with backgrounds, how to choose them, how to make them. And it has a special chapter about shooting with your smartphone, so you can start working on your shot right away. I believe that after trying all 15 projects, you will get a true understanding of all the key details that make a flat-lay shot really stand out, and you will be able to make your own unique flat-lay shots in your original style, and I can't wait to see them. And I really hope that with this book and all these practical instructions, it can be only fun and excitement for you. So best of luck with your experiments.